Okay, want to show you a meatloaf trick you will not believe. Right now it's literally like 5:10 in the morning, just to show you. 5:10 in the morning. What am I making? I am making a meatloaf hash. Can you even believe it? What do I mean meatloaf hash? Well, I tried some other experiment. I love to experiment with meatloaf because meatloaf is truly a blank canvas. If you look carefully here, you'll see potatoes incorporated. But guess what I did? I want to show you a really easy method. Oh my word. When you make your meatloaf the way I described not long ago, go back to the older videos from about a week back. I decided to try something new yesterday. So besides the condensed tomato soup, I added about 10 tater tots to this thing. Wow. Okay, you have got to try the tater tots. So for round one, the original meal, you're just going to slice it and share it with your family. But guess what? The next day, you got yourself a meatloaf hash. Look at the potatoes. Look at the meat. If I wanted, I could throw an egg here, and I got my breakfast. Hello. Is this depravity? You don't have to be deprived to be frugal because I'm not eating it at some outside place that I don't care about eating it. This looks so good. I wish this was smell-o-vision. I wish you could smell how this hash is coming along. And it's my own, made from scratch with a little help from Tater Tots. So, moral of the story, you can make a great, great meatloaf different ways on the cheap. And then you could take that same meatloaf and then redo it. This is a do-over. This is an example of a do-over meal. Meatloaf hash the next morning. If I want, I can make an egg, but this is enough for me. This is a lot. And adding the potatoes, the tater tots, wow, does it stretch it? And it really incorporates really nicely. Just got to bake it off for at least 1 hour. Just saying at 350 in the loaf pan. All right, have a great day, everybody. Had to show you. Take good care. Bye-bye.